Hello, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be showing you how I do my own DIY lash extensions for under $20. So here are my items used. I have these lash clusters from Amazon that are 12 milliliters. I also have these 14 milliliter lash clusters, tweezers, and Ardell dark adhesive. So first I'm starting off with these 14 milliliter clusters. I will be using majority of these clusters for my whole eye. You first start off with applying the glue into the lash case, and then you're going to pick up your lash cluster and dip the bottom side of the lash cluster into the glue. As you can see here. Then you're going to wipe off the excess amount of glue so it doesn't run through your eyelashes. And you're going to start to apply them. I start off with sticking them on the outer end of my eyes. And I'm going to go in and adjust it and make sure it's to my liking. So there you go. I have the first cluster applied. So far so good. So now I'm going back in and I'm dipping my lashes and wiping off the excess glue and switching eyes and applying it to the outer end of my lash as well. One big tip I want to recommend is giving your lash clusters time to dry. You don't want to keep applying them and the glue has not dried yet. They will end up falling off at the end because they'll all get stuck together and the glue wouldn't have dried properly. So I'm going back in and applying my second cluster. Make sure you're adjusting them and getting it to the way you like. Another tip that I do, I also place my clusters on the top side of my lashes. I do not place them on my inner lash line because for me personally it's uncomfortable and I can actually feel the cluster when I close my eyes. So I prefer putting them on top of my lashes. I literally lay them on top of my lash, my natural lash. So here's a closer up of what I'm doing. I apply more glue. Sometimes your glue might dry a little, so you will need to go back in and pour a little bit more out. And I place the lash inside the glue and I dip the bottom of the cluster in the glue and wipe off all excess because you don't want the glue to run through your lashes and make your eyes stuck together. Don't want that. So wipe off the excess amount of glue. Remember to give your lash clusters time to dry. I've been doing this for a while, so I know what to do and what's best work for me and gives me the best results. And giving them time to dry is definitely recommended. Also, this set took me about 30 minutes to complete. I've been doing it for a while, so it doesn't take that long, but if this is something new for you, if you've never done it before, it will most likely take a little bit longer for you to do. But that's okay because practice makes perfect. Have grace on yourself. Don't give up because it can be a little annoying if the lash cluster doesn't go the way you like and you're not applying it the best way. So have grace on yourself and practice. I definitely had to practice to master and perfect the way I do my lashes. I also place my 12mm lashes in the inner corner as the last lash, and I'm also going in and filling in any gaps I see that I can place another cluster to fill in that gap. So here is my final look, and I love the way they came out. I hope this video was very informative and it will inspire you to try your own DIY lashes. So to end this video out, please subscribe and like, and watch out for my new video coming soon. It will be how I design these nails right here. Thanks for watching. Bye.